Hi guys. Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see. Russia top submarines. Russia has a long history of developing advanced submarines and currently operates some of the most advanced submarines in the world. The ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine has been a topic of international concern since 2014. While much of the fighting has taken place on land, the conflict has also had significant naval implications. Both Russia and Ukraine possess submarine fleets that have been involved in the conflict, and the use of submarines has added a new dimension to the conflict. Here are some of Russia's top submarines. Before we start, please click subscribe and press bell icon. 6. Borei-class submarines. These are Russia's newest and most advanced nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines. They are designed to carry up to 16 Bulava intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, and are considered one of the deadliest weapons in Russia's nuclear arsenal. The Borei-class, Russian designation Project 955 Borei and Project 955A Borei are a series of nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines being constructed by Submarine for the Russian Navy. The class is projected to replace, when, the Soviet-era Delta III, Delta IV and Typhoon classes in Russian Navy service. The first design work on the project started in the mid-1980s, and the construction of the first vessel started in 1996. The Borei submarines are approximately 170 meters, 560 feet, long, 13 meters, 43 feet, in diameter, and have a maximum submerged speed of at least 46 kilometers per hour. The Borei submarines can achieve approximate depth of 1,300 feet and 100 days endurance. Five. Yasen-class submarines. These are Russia's newest and most advanced attack submarines. They are designed to hunt and destroy enemy submarines, surface ships, and land targets. They are equipped with advanced sonar and weapon systems, including cruise missiles and torpedoes. The lead boat, Severodvinsk, was laid down in 1993, however construction was stopped due to funding problems. This boat was commissioned with the Russian Navy only in 2013. The second boat of the class was built to improve project. Currently, at least 6 of these boats are planned to be commissioned. These will replace the older Akula-class submarines. The Severodvinsk has 24 vertical launch tubes for various cruise missiles. These include P-800 Onyx, Western designation SSN-26, which has a range of around 300 kilometers. Also, there are 8 650mm torpedo tubes. These can launch torpedoes and anti-ship missiles. It was reported that a mix of 30 torpedoes and anti-ship missiles are carried. The Severodvinsk has 24 vertical launch tubes for various cruise missiles. Cruise missiles include the P-800 Onyx, SSN-26, which has a range of about 300 kilometers. It can achieve max speed of 65 kilometers per hour with max depth of 1804 feet. Four. Belgorod-class special mission submarine. K-329 Belgorod is a modified design of the Oscar II class Russian nuclear submarine. It was originally laid down in July 1992 as a Project 949A cruise missile submarine, but later was redesigned and the partly built hull was used to be reconfigured as a special operations vessel able to operate unmanned underwater vehicles. In the construction process, the original 154-meter-long hull was lengthened to 184 meters. The submarine was delivered to the Russian Navy on July 8, 2022. The Belgorod joined the 29th Submarine Division. It has 120 days endurance and can achieve depth of 1,710 feet. With length of 184 meters, it has speed of 59 kilometers per hour. Three, Akula-class submarines. These are Russia's older, but still formidable attack submarines. They are designed for anti-ship and anti-submarine warfare and are equipped with advanced torpedoes, mines, and cruise missiles. The Akula-class, Soviet designation Project 971 Shchuka B, Russian, lit. Pite B, NATO reporting name Akula, are a series of fourth-generation nuclear-powered attack submarines, SSNs, first deployed by the Soviet Navy in 1986. Between December 1995 and February 1996, submarine Volk was deployed to the Mediterranean along the Russian aircraft carrier Admiral Kuznetsov, where she monitored activities of several NATO submarines under Captain First Rank S.V. Spravtsev. The Russian Navy's Akula-2 could be equipped with 28 nuclear-capable cruise missiles with a striking range of 3,000 kilometers. Akula-class submarines have capability of 100 days endurance with test depth of 1,570 feet. It has speed of 52 to 65 kilometers per hour and length of 362 to 372 feet. 2. Oscar II class submarine. The Oscar-class, Soviet designations Project 949 Granite and Project 949A Anti-Oscar I and Oscar II respectively, are a series of nuclear-powered cruise missile submarines designed in the Soviet Union for the Soviet Navy. The Project 949A Anti, known in the West as the Oscar II class, is a successor to the previous Oscar I class. These were designed to counter the threat posed by the U.S. carrier battle groups. Out of 19 planned boats, 11 were completed at Severodvinsk. The Oscar II class has a lengthened hull by some 10 m, possibly for a quieter propulsion and upgraded electronic systems, and an enlarged fin, which improves underwater maneuverability. These boats are the third largest submarines in terms of displacement and length. Only the Soviet Typhoon class and American Ohio class boats are larger. Originally, the Oscar II class boats were the largest attack submarines ever constructed. It can achieve max depth of 1968 feet with max speed of 59 kilometers per hour. It has endurance of 120 days and length of 505 feet. Oscar II class submarines are equipped with missile and torpedoes. One. Typhoon-class submarine. The Typhoon-class, Soviet designation Project 941 Akula, is a class of nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines designed and built by the Soviet Union for the Soviet Navy. The Russian Navy canceled its Typhoon modernization program in March 2012, stating that modernizing one Typhoon would be as expensive as building 2 new Borei-class submarines. The Typhoon class was developed under Project 941 as the Soviet Akula-class, meaning shark. It is sometimes confused with other submarines, as Akula is the name NATO uses to designate the Russian Project 971 attack submarines. With test depth of 3,000 feet and length of 574 feet, it has endurance of 120+ days and speed of 50 kilometers per hour. Despite concerns about the Russian submarine fleet, it remains a formidable force in the world's oceans, and the conflict between Russia and Ukraine has had significant implications for naval operations in the region, particularly with regards to the use of submarines. The advanced technology and capabilities of Russia's submarines make them a key element of the country's military strategy and a potential threat to its rivals. Do you think Russia has the most advanced submarine technology in the world? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.